Another Bitcoin video, guys. Another Bitcoin video. How you guys doing? Now, for people who don't know, we just did a Bitcoin daily live stream and we talked about this, but everybody in our Telegram chat knows. But for you guys, other guys who don't know, I'm here to tell you that today might be the day that we hit 69 to 70k right now. All-time high. Might be today or tomorrow. There's a good chance for that. I'm going to tell you, what can invalidate that, how this actually might play out. So this is what we have so far on the chart. Let me just quickly update you. For you guys who don't know, this over here is a channel. This is a channel. This is a bigger channel towards upside. There is a resistance over here. There's a blue box up here. There's a blue box over here. There's a blue box here. So there is not a lot of lines on the chart, but the blue box over here is actually broken. This channel up here is broken towards the upside. Right now we are breaking through the second blue box up here. Right now the only box we have left is this one at 69k box. Now the 69k box up here is very interesting right now because we might actually get to that box very soon, and I'm going to explain to you how and why we might actually get to that box. Before we go on into that box over here, there's a line that's the halving that's going to happen very soon. So there is a very good chance we hit all-time high before the halving, guys. Now let's go to the small time frames. We're gonna go to the 1 hourly time frame over here. And let me show you what I'm actually looking at the chart over here right now. So over here, we actually managed to, get inside the box over here. Let me just remove this line up here because I just noticed it. So we have this blue box level of resistance that we broke towards upside, managed to hold that, broke towards upside, pulled back inside, held its support, zigzag above that. Right now we are again above the resistance level over here. Right now it looks like we are breaking towards the upside. Now check this out. Over here there was a line over here somewhere like this over here, goes over here all the way towards downside. Now when we're up here at these stops up here, there was very high probability we're gonna dump down, because by the time we actually hit these levels over here, there was huge euphoria. That was 2 days ago. There was huge euphoria. Everybody on X, in our Telegram channel, all over the YouTube, there were just Bitcoin went up to 64k. It was insane moves, this move towards upside, and everybody was really actually this move towards upside. It was insane move. It wasn't actually that big move, but it was really insane when there was too much hype all over the place. 12% towards upside Bitcoin, right? So right now what's happening up here, you can see up here this blue box. So how do we get to that blue box? Now there is a very interesting channel up here that's right now happening, and if this channel breaks towards upside, I think we just might hit this blue box during the day. So you see over here right now it's going towards upside. This is an hourly time frame, so sometimes before Saturday, tomorrow 8 a.m. so I'm giving like 24 hours give or take. How many hours is this actually right now? Somewhere between 20 hours, 24, yeah, give or take a day, maybe even longer than that, but 24 in the next 24 hours, there is a very good chance for this to come all the way up here inside this top up here. Not only that, it might actually do it sooner than that, but we are looking at this line over here as a resistance level, so we are thinking something like this up here towards the upside. You can see up here how we zigzag up here towards upside, so that might actually happen. It might happen a little bit different than go fastly towards upside here. I mean, how this actually goes towards upside really does matter. What does matter that we eventually hit the 69 to 70k box, the blue box at the top. Now check this out. Down here on the bottom there is a very nice channel. It goes something like this over here, all the way towards the stops. And what you're gonna see over here right now, this is a sloping channel towards upside. Now a lot of people will say this is actually a bearish channel, and in fact it is. Any kind of channel that goes towards upside is bearish, and any kind of channel that goes towards downside is actually bullish, because that's just the definition of the channels. What people fail to understand, and I say this over and over again, is that you are in the bull market. When you are in the bull market, these rising channels break towards upside, increase the speed, and speed up towards upside. So what I'm actually looking over here on the chart right now is actually, these stops up here to get broken towards upside over here. And once actually that happens, if that happens, I think there is a very high probability that we are gonna hit 69k very soon, guys. Very soon, in the next 24 hours, give or take. Now, the thing that can invalidate that is if we don't break towards upside and we actually break back inside the blue box up here, then we can have a bigger move towards downside. I don't think we're gonna have a bigger move towards downside, because we already had a pullback up here that actually held very nicely on the support level over here, previous support level 61k. Because once this move started happening, we said there are two support levels up here that are very important, 61.2 and all the way down here at 58k levels, right? So these two support levels were very interesting and very important. Now we did manage to hold the first support level level over here. And so right now the only thing that I can actually conclude right now from the technical analysis is that we are going to 69k, guys, 69k. But that depends whether this channel breaks towards upside or downside. And the way I see it right now, since we are still so bullish and the price has been holding up very nicely in this range up here between 63k and down to 60k, so it's not dropping. So we hit some kind of major level towards upside and we are still not dropping towards downside. Even the bigger time frames are actually looking very good, so we won't go into that too much. But right now the only thing I'm looking at right now is this very first move outside of this rising channel towards the upside, and after that it's gonna break 64k, it's gonna go up here to 66k. The white line is also resistance level, but I think once it goes, I think it's gonna go all the way up to 70k, guys. 69k, 70k, give or take, because 70k is a psychological resistance. There is that, but it does look very good. So I thought I should just make a quick video to tell you what we already know in our Telegram channel, that this might happen in the next 24 hours. So am I gonna be right? We're gonna see that. Anyway, guys, down below there is a link down to our Telegram channel, private Telegram channel. We do a lot of live streams for members only. Very nice community. You're welcome to join that. We also got a public Telegram channel. Check that out. Besides that, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Bye bye.